Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. If you love learning smart tricks, make sure to subscribe. The drag and drop editor is one of the easiest features in Canva. Open Canva. Open your design. Click on plus icon to open new page. Go to Element. Search Map. Click Photos. Choose Map. Drag it to do full screen. Now drag text from first page. Now search America flag from Element. Drag it to the page. Search Man. Click on Photos. Scroll down. Choose Photos of Man. Drag it to the page. Do big with mouse. Click on Text then. Right-click. Go to Layer. Click on Send Backward. Go to first page. Now drag shape from first page. Spread it with mouse. Go to text on left bar. Select heading. Select text and go to font color on top. Change color of text. Don't forget to like, comment, and tell me what Canva topic you want next. Write text. Go to share on top. Download. Choose page No 2. Done. Download.